Hi Mama, welcome back. I'm Dr. Emily, physician, mom, and your guide through every stage of this beautiful and sometimes confusing journey called pregnancy. Before we dive into today's important topic, don't forget to check the description below. I've linked my favorite pregnancy-safe products and essentials that can truly support you in these months, especially as your body keeps changing and adapting. Now let's talk about something many pregnant women experience but often feel too shy to ask about: white discharge during pregnancy. Is it normal? What does it mean? And when should you be concerned? So here's the deal. Some level of vaginal discharge, especially white or milky, is totally normal in pregnancy. In fact, it often increases because of all the hormonal changes happening in your body. This discharge is usually called leukorrhea. It's thin, white, or off-white, and has a mild or no odor. It's your body's natural way of keeping the vaginal environment clean, moist, and protected from infection. In the first trimester, this discharge can be one of the earliest signs of pregnancy. Thanks to rising estrogen and increased blood flow to the pelvic area, you may notice more of it, and that's usually a good thing. As your pregnancy progresses, especially in the second and third trimesters, the discharge may become heavier. That's normal too, as long as it stays that white or creamy color and doesn't come with itching, burning, or a strong odor. Now here's where you want to be extra mindful. If your discharge changes in color, turning yellow, greenish, gray, or has a cottage cheese-like texture, that could be a sign of infection like a yeast infection or bacterial vaginosis. If it's watery and you're in your later stages of pregnancy, it could even be amniotic fluid. And if you ever see blood-tinged discharge, especially early on or later in pregnancy, always let your provider know. So, when should you call your doctor? Anytime the discharge is accompanied by itching, burning pain, a bad smell, or just feels off, trust your instincts. It's always better to get it checked than to wonder or worry. A few tips for staying comfortable and healthy: always wear breathable cotton underwear. Avoid douching or using scented soaps down there, and keep the area clean and dry. Your body is doing a lot right now, and this discharge is one of the many ways it protects you and your baby. I know talking about things like this can feel a bit awkward, but it's all part of the incredible changes your body is going through. You're growing a whole human, and every symptom, every shift, even the discharge, is part of the journey. If you've noticed changes in your discharge or have any questions about what's normal, drop a comment below. You're not alone. And don't forget to check those pregnancy-safe products I've linked below. They're things I've personally used and recommended to so many moms like you.